sort of ways of doing TikTok ads. You know, the way I like to approach things is looking at it like this, because what we're essentially doing is, you know, because I'm not like a TikTok ads expert. You know, what I think I'm good at is getting someone to realize that I can solve their problem through an ad. And as affiliates, that's pretty much what we need to do most of the time. So what we're basically doing is we're, you know, look, a stranger is scrolling on TikTok, they see your ad, we need to spark an emotion so they pay attention. The stranger gets hooked in, clicks your ad, and then the stranger takes an action such as fill out a form if you're doing CPA, lead gen, you know, download or buy something, because they realize that that offer convinces them that it will solve their problem in a new, unique way, right? And we're just doing that with TikTok ads. And then obviously TikTok has its own style, but this is how I like to look at things. So, you know, the big idea that I'd like to translate to you guys here today is to sort of start to look at your ads this way.